Want to stay informed about potential COVID-19 exposures? Turning on exposure notifications can help you stay safe and aware. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on exposure notifications on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the exposure notification settings. Here, tap on the Turn on exposure notifications option. Tap on the Continue button. Now, scroll down and select your country or region. And this is how you can turn on exposure notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.